Alright, we're at Ho Chunk Madison today, and we are going to play Ultimate Firelink Explosion. $40 is going in. This is new since I've been here, so I'm super excited to try it out. Let's see if we can't get the $10,773 mega. And I'm working with some new equipment, so if things are wonky, I apologize. I'm trying to fix it, but we'll just figure it out as we go. Okay, we got $40 in, got my ticket in. I'm not doing... There's a bunch of different bets. Let's see if I can do this. I don't want to do that. I may do that. We're going to start out a little, you know, not a lot. Oh, he's already throwing stuff down. Oh, that's a good one. Let me turn it up. To me, you look crooked. All right, got her all the way up. So in this version, the monkeys will throw down the fireballs. And umbrellas are wild. That was a $6 win. I'll take it. So it's the same concept. Oh, he's throwing some balls down. You still need 4 fireballs. It's a quiet machine though. Come on. What we at? $33. One more to get a bonus. Free spins. Nope. Blocked. Yeah, so when I was here last... Oh, that's a nice ball. Can I get that? No. When I was here last time, they were installing these. So it's been about a month since I've been back. Oh, okay. Come on. Now do something with it. Did you see all the balls fly by? 2 more. All right, come on. 2 more. All right, listen here, monkey. You're gonna throw it. Do something with it. So yeah, they were just installing it, so I didn't get a chance to play it. So I was like, if I come back, I want to try to play it. Right now, it's just taking all my money. Come on. There's only 2 of these, and this has the bigger mega by like $20. It took 3 minutes to lose $40. Come on. Oh. Well, that's a nice one. Let's go. $0 left. Is it going to give me something? Nope. All right. We're going to put $40 more in. Let's see if it wants $80 to give me something here. This is the first machine walking into the casino I played, so come on. Oh, jeez. It's not even like teasing me. I hope I don't, the music's loud. I hope I don't get copyrighted. Everybody's having a great day. Hoping to win a lot of money today. So far that's not working out. Oh, come on. Let me jump a little bit more. Blocked. So we're like $440, I'll take it. As of right now, I'm like 5 or 6 subscribers away from 2,000, which is incredible. So thank you everybody that's watched the videos and subscribed and left a comment and a thumbs up and all that good stuff. I appreciate it. Oh, you know what? Can I change the denomination? That's what I'm doing wrong. Hello. Minimum bet on 2 cents. That's what the problem is. Jeez, Sarah. Come on. Come on, 2 more. Throw them down now. Okay, now is the time. I want a bonus. Okay, 2 cents. Not it either, baby. Come on. 2 more. Oh, do you see them all go by? You guys have any luck on this version of Ultimate Firelink? I'd love to know in the comments. I really would like to know, because 80 bucks in and I got nothing. Come on, that's a good ball. Where am I? That's a nice one. I could have used that. Come on, monkey. Anywhere. Oh, see, they just went by. Okay, come on. That's something. I'll take it. All right, let's go. Now we need a bonus. Oh, where's he? Why can't he throw one right now? Oh, now he decides to throw it. I needed it on the last spin. Right there. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this version. Have you guys had any luck on it? Guess I have bad timing today. Come on. I sure hope I don't get copyrighted. Just gotta keep talking over the music. Come on. Let's go. That's it. That was rough. That was pretty tough. 80 bucks in it. Didn't get a bonus. Couple good line hits. That was rough. I don't know if I'd play that one again, but I hope you like that. Make sure you...
Today is our rollover jackpot.
Wow, that's loud. Anyway, give the thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that good jazz. Appreciate you.